Jamaica look at who get boasy. And I go on like say I'm alone closing. The struggle hard to get to them the poses. Me sure say I know me alone notice this. Me know say I know me alone notice this. Me sure say I know me alone notice this. Them boy they use the ghetto forget rich. As them eat them switch down bitch.
Style them fresh spring water. What make gal with spring water? Them gal bring you come and give you later. Luke Skywalker.
Fear love you up. In a bed, me and you fear cuddle up. Me want us to pair up and double up. You let the blood in me heart just a bubble up.
Watch how me I go deal with that. Watch my friend offering him I go deal with that.
My girl, where you say? Your pussy fat up in a jazz. Take the pic and send it come fast.
Welcome to Linefoot TV at the right place, so let's don't go nowhere.
Please like, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell. Blessed love and greetings, my viewers and subscribers, kings and queens, lion and lioness, big up on yourself. Welcome to Linefoot TV, another man of peace. Yeah, mama say give thanks to life, give thanks for another day, you know. Life are the greatest gift. Yes, man. In this episode, yeah, we are run through some songs, some songs, new release, soon to be released. Seeing some new songs. We have Misha, Determined, with a brand new song named Boasy. Boy, that one, yeah. Yeah, man, I tell you, the man them rich use the ghetto to get rich and switch, you know. And I go like them alone have name brand clothes and look good in that clothes. Boy, yeah, I tell you, you see it. We also have One Gulf, Universal Music. With some brand new production, UK based artists, and Jamaican based in the UK. Yeah, we have I-Maric, Fowlie Don, you see me and say Ghost Don, Ricardo Rawal. Yes, man, the whole of this production is a nice production. The rhythm bad to name Rebel Gal Riddim. You see me? Big up yourself, Jam Model. You see my viewers and subscribers. Yeah, man. We also have Lisa Mercedes. Yes, man. Yeah, she one of her friends must follow out and she said, yo, she expose everything, you know. Say, yo, we have threesome, including, and she, you don't know, compromise stylogy still. A pink one, I see it, pan. You see it, so, boy, me, I tell you. Viewers and subscribers, we are forward.
Welcome to Kingston, welcome to Jamaica, welcome to Kingston. The land of food and water. If a girl live in Lamobey, you must take a trip and come check out Kingston. Let's go!
Yes, man, big up all of the people and the tourists them. We are flying into Jamaica right now for the holiday or visiting the friends and families or whatever. You know what I mean? Ochi, might be any one of them. Make sure you go check out Kingston. You see it, and to all of the I-Maric fans, I have something special coming up for you guys relating to the EP Welcome to Kingston. Zane, but we not say much until the time. It's a surprise. Big up the center stage band. As a man say, yes man, but you don't know. Don't forget to like and share the content, subscribe and click the bell. You know we always say equality, diversity, equity, empathy, love, unity, strength. Zine. Yes man, so with no further delay, make we kick off the show now. Zine, One Gulf, Universal Music, yeah man. I have a project with 4 artists. I don't know Rebel Gal Riddim, so I'm going to hear a little snippet of the songs them. So I say and can look forward for it. See? Yes man.
If I love you up, in a bed, me and you fear cuddle up. Me want us to pair up and double up. You let the blood in me heart just a bubble up. Me love how you sitting clump up. Me love to see when you shake your rump up. When I do it, it make me bunny jump up. Fear nookie my body want thump up. I mean fear feel up your breast time. I mean fear kiss and caress time.
Yes man, so that is me, I-Maric saying, song titled Ami. Yes, I say, big up man, yeah, I mean, I love feel up the breast them, I love kiss them too, you see, cheese. But anyway, the next artist we have on the rhythm, named Ghost Don. The man will say, nah look. Yeah man, the big song, nah look. Yeah man.
Yeah, sort out the girl them business.
Yeah.
One Gulf.
Yeah.
You know how thing go.
I feel the girl them, yeah.
The girl them.
Yeah. Always there. Watch how me I go deal with that. Watch my friend offering him I go deal with that.
Yes man, that's Ghost Don, song titled Deal. Why come like say that when this drop in their dance hall, every man have a girl, you know. Every man have a woman a dagger or deal with her. Yes man, also your song sound bad. Can't wait for hear more, you see it. It's just a snippet, you see me? Next artist we have now, Ricardo Rawal.
Style them fresh spring water. What make gal with spring water? Them gal bring you come and give you later. Luke Skywalker. On the haters Benz just drop couple mils on the desktop. Chop from early, we catch you fresh crap. But Gal Esther, she give the best up. Head up anyway, she no just stop.
Yes man, so Ricardo Rawal I tell you say your action over style now. That's the name of the song. Man I say catchy style. You see me? Style and pattern him swagger and normal. Benz just drop couple mils on the desktop. chop from early so him catch a fresh crop. You see me chop it? Yo, I tell you. You see me the yo, the song bad, you know the man say catch a style. I love the delivery and everything, the song them clean, you see it? Yeah man. The next artist we have on the rhythm are the one Dan Fowlie Don, the veteran. Yes man, mad.
Children, go to your bed. Big people time now. Yeah man. Children, go to your bed. Big people time now.
Hey, for me hear this, you know, say mother mean and it not clean. Big people time now, picnic going on no bed.
My girl, where you say? Your pussy fat up in a jazz. Take the pick and send it come fast. Where you say? Your love fuck, don't worry. That you walk up on a real fuck pass. The video where you send come, girl, you bad ass. Like when you climb on the pool and I shake up your ass and open up your foot and I tell me say.
Bucklat. So that's Fowlie Don song title to yard fuck. Hey, we don't like that one. I go drive the girls, they're mad, you know. My girl, what you say? Your pussy fat up in a drawers. Take the picture and say they come fast. But you say you love fuck, don't worry. You just spoke about a real fuck boss. Yo, Fowlie Don, big up yourself. Yo, hey, Jamadu, one golf. You get some good song, you know. Yeah, but the song them clean and mix good and everything and the rhythm bad. Yes, man. Viewers and subscribers who don't know hear nothing more, just stay tuned and go over One Golf page. Scene and stay tuned and listen for the song them. DJ selectors who want to run with that project here. Yeah, man. Mad.
The struggle is on, the struggle is real. Some boy feel. Get up every day, boss over clothes and money and vehicle, I'm here.
Yes man, so to the people I love them mix up and passa kuso kasa. So I can hear release and Mercedes say if you don't know hear already. But I run through Meshach song now. Boasy. No itching, no delay.
Jamaica look at who get bossy. And I go and I say I'm alone close it. The struggle I get to them no post it. Me sure say I know me alone notice this. Me know say I know me alone notice this. Me sure say I know me alone notice this. Them boy they use the ghetto forget rich. As them eat them switch turn bitch.
Viewers and subscribers, I don't want to listen to the rhythm and the melody alone. I'll do it body. I want to listen to the words. Me determined to say the boy get bossy and I go like I am alone close fit. But the struggle they get to him now post it. And I am alone and notice it. You see me? The boy use the ghetto to get rich after the people that they get to support him rich and switch.
We say get the load, yeah. Close just a load for. That means for money and jewelry do we bend over. A game like poker. This big joker. Yeah, Babylon mix him up like Roma coca.
Hey, this is sound like somebody determined attack, you know. Get the hell out here. Close your sell out for. That means for money and jewelry will bend over. You look a big joker. Babylon, yo.
Jamaica, me tell you say them a go let you out ya. So them get the visa then the member boy ya. Remember the chat pot for act like a for read them and bend them flop like what. No food na in the mama. Jamaica.
Yeah man, and for the ones and ones that we got foreign and switch. I don't remember where them a come from. You know go like that one. I want to determine that man. Yeah man. The man said Jamaica, me tell you they said me that go left on the out here. You see me if them get the visa, them no member boy ya. At them go foreign and start chat patwa in a 1 month. You see me? And no money them now look for mama and papa. You see it? But when them get deported, you know, that them might run go back to mama and papa. Determined, me love that song.
Who get bossy? And I go and I say I'm alone close it. The struggle I get to them no post it. Me sure say I know me alone notice this. Me know say I know me alone notice this. Me sure say I know me alone notice this. Them boy they use the ghetto forget rich. As them eat them switch turn bitch. And now boss
people, I'm not going to no more of the songs. Look out for it. I go over Meshach page if you want to hear the full song. See? Yes man, the people them rich and switch and turn them back on them best when them grow up with all them parents too. You know go like that one. Boss, you know go like a alone close fit. You see me? Yeah man, go like on the born with gold spoon down the mouth. And the members who used to suffer to and struggle from the ghetto. You see what I say? And the ghetto people bust you know. You have some artists that the people that the ghetto bust them, you know. But them remember the ghetto are the people that support the music. But anyway, the moment where someone who wait for. No sir, xp0se is a dancehall controversial artist from the Gaza Nation camp. Yes man, Shana one of her friend follow out named Angel. Zine, see her picture there? Yeah, pink one, me see it. So there's a xp0se say, girl, remember good, say me and you and my baby father, Stylo, had threesome with you, So I used to have a special thing for you, Angel, because you can eat pussy good. That's how we became close. No, sir. So Lisa Mercedes, I confirm, so she had a threesome and she maybe swing both ways. Yo! They say the controversy, or they say the, what you call the next word there now? Double standard. But anyway, Lisa Mercedes, you know, she write it, you see me say? So, when I say she compromised stylogy, she never did have to put stylogy, because everybody knows her Baby Fada stylogy, you see me? So, let me know what you think about that, my viewers and subscribers. But Lisa said Angel can eat it good, but I wonder if Lisa eat Angel too, because threesome and vice versa thing, you know. You see, viewers and subscribers, let me know what y'all think. See, a lion foot, big up on yourself and the man of peace. I remember, live good and keep it real. Yeah, man. Rebel One Golf, big up yourself, Fowlie Don, Ricardo Rawal, Boasy done. You see me? Determined. I want to love and blessings, man. The man of peace. Cool shots.
Jamaica look at who get bossy. And I go and I say I'm alone closing. The struggle hard to get to them the poses. Me sure say I know me alone notice this. Me know say I know me alone notice this. Me sure say I know me alone notice this. Them boy they use the get to forget rich. As them eat them switch on bitch.